In this video we'll unbox 42 million pixel. Let's go! So, what's up guys, Horia and welcome to Shades of Tech. In one of the last videos on the channel, we made the biggest tech unboxing on the channel so far. Well, clearly today's sponsor, LG Electronic, didn't agree on that. So, today I'm very proud to bring you the biggest TV unboxing on the channel and easily the biggest TV unboxing in terms of pixel on YouTube. Correct me in the comment if I'm wrong. We're gonna be unboxing two 65-inch TVs, a 4K OLED and an 8K QLED from LG and Samsung for a total of 130 inches, 80 kilos and 42 million pixel, and also a lot of fun. Of course, we made a full comparison review of those two TV in a separate video. I leave the link up here. Are you ready? Let's go! We'll start with the LG OLED. Okay, so this is the LG OLED 4K 65C9 and we're gonna be unboxing this big beast. So here we have the mounting instruction and then we have the instruction manual with the TV remote. This remote is pretty similar to the 2017 model. Then we have the batteries and some cable manager stuff. This thing is crazy thin. It's impossibly thin. Okay, so here we have a metal bar that is probably the stand itself. Very nice aluminum and metal part. Here we have the other part of the stand, which is mind-blowingly heavy. Oh! Wow! It's basically all the weight of the TV, and the 2017 model wasn't so heavy. Wow! But the finish is really great. Of course, metal. And then on the back there is a cable management part where you can place all the cables and then just close it. Okay, so those are the two parts of the stand. I really love the metal finish and in this space gray color. And this is the other part, the really heavy one. So now we're gonna assemble. We just have to place it in this way and then fix it with 3 screws included. Okay, so this is the finished stand and it's definitely really heavy, so it will balance perfectly your TV. Okay, so this is the biggest 65-inch 4K OLED display in the studio. Wow! This is beautiful. Okay, so it's the moment you're waiting for. It's the Samsung 8K Q950R and it's 8K, so let's go. So this is the quick setup guide. Okay, this is the One Connect cable box. It's very heavy. It's also very big and has 4 HDMI, 1 fiber optic cable, 1 LAN, 1 audio digital, and also the power. Okay, so here we have the user manual. It's a lot of paper. Okay, so are you ready? Oh. Okay, this is really huge. It's 65-inch. For reference, this LG TV is 55-inch, so it's very big. So we have plastic paper here. This is the back of the TV itself. Okay, so now we'll remove the lateral protection, the front screen protection. So this is the very flat on the back design, and I must say that at first touch it's really satisfying. It's in 3D, there are horizontal lines and it's nice. Not that it doesn't matter really much because it will go toward the wall, but here we have the two very heavy and metal made stands. Okay, so this is an 8K screen. The frame design is good, but it's really thick. It's about 3 to 4 centimeters. Okay. One thing that I noticed is that the back finish is really a fingerprint magnet. So you'll have to remove these sensors. There are 2 of them. To pull it out, you just have to slide it and then you can lift it up. These legs are made of metal. They are heavy but not impossibly heavy. For reference, the screws are in the package included with the TV, where there is also the batteries for the remote, the power cable, the fiber optic cable, the remote, and so much stuff. And I must say that this package is really well engineered. So this is the power cable. There are basically 2 remotes. There is the old style one that probably your grandfather will like, and also this really nice aluminum, really clean looking, and it's really stunning. And I think that Samsung nailed it. Okay, and so here we have the long-awaited fiber optic cable, and I must say that I'm very impressed. It's really resilient, and I love the 3D finish like the back of the TV. Okay, so the last part is to place the fiber optic cable, and there is just one port, so you can't basically make it wrong. And also you have an opposite hole to center, and in this hole you'll have to insert 1 screw. There is a center path line and 2 lateral, and as I will show you in a moment, it's very simple. You just have to carefully place it in the path line with your fingers. One thing that I really loved is that Samsung included this path line also in the legs. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so we did it. This is the Samsung 65-inch 8K Q950R. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like or dislike this video, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned on Shades of Tech for more 8K and 4K TV content. Ciao!